Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this video, I am going to cover how to use Shopify email. With every e-commerce platform, you need to utilize email marketing. Using it effectively, you can have sales coming in each time you send an email to your audience, which is definitely a goal. Shopify email is included with your Shopify subscription and it's located in the marketing section of your navigation. It's perfect for getting started building a community with your subscribers. For pricing, you can send up to 2,500 emails per month for free. After that, you will pay $1 for every 1,000 emails sent. You can send up to 5 campaigns per week and email up to 40,000 subscribers at a time. If you have more than that, you can set up customer groups to split up your list to be able to send those emails out to everyone. To get started, we will go to marketing and we have our marketing overview here. Right now we have a label here that we can click create email. You also have the create campaign button here, and the first one would be Shopify email. This adds Shopify email to your shop so you're able to go ahead and start creating campaigns with Shopify email. Once that's complete, we will end up at the Shopify email dashboard so we are able to get started with our emails. The first thing you'll notice are different templates that are available for you to choose from. It pulls in the branding from your store, so if you don't have a logo set, you'll only see the name of your company. And if you don't have color set in your store, then it will automatically turn up black. So we have different templates here. We have product, we have discount, sale announcement, gift card, end of sale, curbside pickup, online store, Father's Day, and blank. So I'm going to go with the online store. Since this is a newer store, I know that an email needs to go out about Shopify, my new Shopify store. So I can set who the subscribers, who it will go to. I can set a subject. And as I select here, you'll see the styles pop up to the side so I can update how this is going to look. And I get a view here, a preview for how it will look when it ends up in my email client. So I'll put my preview text here. This displays after the subject line and then the email for who this email is from. Usually it will be the email that you have set as your customer email. From there, I can scroll down and see how my campaign is going to look. So I can add a logo. I can align it, update the store name, change the font, really brand it and make it my own. I can update all of the text by clicking and typing. You can also change any fonts that are set here. My buttons, you can update the colors. I can align it, set up a background cover, link it to my store or a certain part of my store, it automatically pulls in the products that I have, so I don't even have to worry about that. I can switch out those products. And I can also see what I'm going to show and what I'm not going to show. So I can turn off what I don't want to see in this product. I can align it. It's going to update as I go. Then I have products. Maybe I only want to do one product right now. You can add sections by clicking this plus. You're able to put text, button, image, discount, gift card, or product. So if I add a discount here, I can select from the discounts that I have already available in my store. Once I have everything where I want it, I can click review. And with the review, I'll be able to see how this email is, and it will go out to the subscribers that I have selected here. With every campaign that is created through Shopify email, you'll end up seeing activities in this campaign, and it'll show what email was sent, the status of it, the cost, sales, and sessions that were generated by this email. And in your marketing overview, you'll be able to see at the bottom any of your recent marketing right from the overview page. So that is how you use Shopify email, how you update it. Very easy, simple to use, and with your first 2,000 emails free and only $1 for every 1,000 emails sent after that, is very cost effective to be able to use it even in conjunction with another email marketing platform. I hope that helped. I hope it gave you a little bit of insight of how to use the Shopify email, how to get it installed in your store. And if you are looking for more videos on Shopify, you can check out the Shopify tutorials playlist on my channel.